We're from One Step channel. We're also reviewing some technology. The thing that we bought is the a wireless audio mic system, which is this one is a Saramonic UWMIC9. We're going to test this thing's performance. And also we're going to test the range of the Saramonic UWMIC9. Right now I'm testing the mic in both cameras. Right here is the Saramonic UWMIC9 and this one is the Rode Mic Go, which is the shotgun mic typically used by the vloggers. So I'm checking the quality whether this is better or this one. And here is, I'm switching to the UWMIC9. You can hear the quality. Here we are in the shopping mall where it is, I can say it's medium busy shopping mall where we got some customers walking around. We have some promoters promoting things and there's noise of in shopping mall. So I'm switching back to the Rode Mic Go. As you can hear the quality of this sound. The vloggers typically use this kind of shotgun mic because it's very easy to use. It has no battery use, so it's kind of different to the UWMIC9. I'm in a quite busy restaurant where there's some machine going on over there. There's some people talking at the back, so it's quite busy. So it's quite a lot of noise here. Right now I'm switching to Saramonic UWMIC9. As you can hear. Right now, this is the sound quality of my voice in a busy restaurant. Okay, then I'm going to switch to the Rode Mic Go, I think. Rode Mic Go, using a quite similar camera, also Lumix. So this is the sound quality. It's about 3 or 2 feet from me. Mic Go is actually a shotgun mic. This is the one. So this is the quality of the video Mic Go. And then I'm switching to UWMIC9. So you can hear the difference between those two. I'm switching back and forth. Okay, so and then I'm switching back to the Radio Mic Go. So it's a busy restaurant. There's some pretty heavy noise going on. So you need some quality voice. I think UWMIC9 doing a very good job in handling those noises. This is the race test. I'm about 20 meters to the camera from this point on. This is where I am, right here. This is about 20 meters, so this is the quality audio that's been recorded straight to the camera. So I'm moving forward to the back of this building. So here I am, pretty much at the end of this building block. So about 50 or 60 meters from the camera. I'd say it's pretty good performance by the price for the Saramonic Audio UWMIC9. So guys, about the conclusion for this audio test, I can say that when comparing these two guys, it's like comparing apples with oranges because both of these were made for different reasons, even though both of them provided audio quality for video shooters. Let me explain. This Rode Mic Go, specially designed for those shooters who is run and gun shooters. So this is very good. But the downside is it does not provide a very clean audio for your video. And the pros of this is it's very quick, easy, and no batteries required for this one. And this one, I can say this one is very good in providing good audio, but you need a lot of time to set up this. You need the batteries in here. There is 4 A2 batteries that you need, and these things provide much clearer audio rather than this one. But the downside is you need to have more time to set up this audio device. For my personal preference, I really like this Saramonic UWMIC9 because audio quality and also it's very affordable price for the system that they provided. It's very worth the price to buy this thing. So that's about the audio test between Rode Mic Go and UWMIC9. Hope you like this video and we'll see you in our next video.